8 mán uile-Éireann agus gradan peiledóir na bliana. Ach níor gnáimreoire Michael Darragh MacAuley.
It was just his unorthodox nature and style of play.
He won't win marks for artistic merit because he's an ungainly runner. But it's like a wrecking ball going out of defence.
Ní hé Michael Darragh MacAuley an gra imróir peile géalach agus nach iontach an rud é sin.
He didn't follow a norm. He did it his way, and look at the impact that he was able to have.
Like, I always backed myself. I was never worried, no, geez, he's your man, he does this. I was like, he has to deal with me. He hasn't dealt with this before.
Agus ba fescán na tragóide a cothíoch charachtar MacAuley.
I can't imagine what he went through then, himself and the rest of his family.
That was a massive moment in Michael Darragh's life. Very difficult moment in his life. I believe he used it as a catalyst for him to even drive on even harder.
I've done the whole feel sorry for myself, and I've no parents, and I've like moped around. On a day-to-day, I just ask myself the same question of what would your mom want, or what would your dad want you to do right now? That's the only thing that kind of got me through.